Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. Kumar channel. Myself Dr.N.Siva Jyothi. Today we will be seeing on the 6-minute walk test. What is this 6-minute walk test and how to do this test and what are the benefits of doing this test? We will see in this video. This is the test which is used to check the aerobic capacity and endurance of the individual. Initially, this was used in the assessment of the cardiopulmonary status of the person, and this test will let us know how healthy our heart and lungs are. In this test, the distance covered by the person in a 6 minutes is taken as an outcome measure, and this is used as to compare the previous condition of the patient and present status of the person. Nowadays, in the COVID-19 situation, the person who is affected with the COVID-19 is suggested to go for the 6-minute walk test, especially in the persons who are there at the home quarantine with a mild symptoms. And this test is used as a screening tool for the persons who is not showing any hypoxic symptoms at the rest and who are having the comorbidities like an heart diseases. The test should be done in a 30 meters corridor. You should make the person to walk in a 30 meters corridor by marking the two ends or placing the cone at both the ends. But as we are doing this test at home, we will be telling the person to walk around in the home for 6 minutes. Before starting the test, we need to measure the baseline saturation of oxygen by using the pulse oximeter and make the person to walk for 6 minutes. And once the test is done or once the person is finished walking for 6 minutes, then again measure the saturation of oxygen by pulse oximeter, note down the baseline value and value after test. Now let us see with the test how to do this test. Before starting the test, you should note down the SpO2 level by using the pulse oximeter. Just take a pen and paper and write the test as the pre-test and the saturation level. So just see this, it's an pre-test value, the saturation is 99. Note down the value and make the person to walk for the 6 minutes in the room as per the comfort of the patient. Immediately after the 6 minutes of walk, note the saturation of the oxygen. Just have a look over here, it's 99. Note that again on the paper. In the post test, if the saturation values falls below the 94% or drops by 3% when compared to the initial value, then the test is termed as a positive. That means the person may progress to the hypoxia. So medical attention is necessary for such patients. While doing the test, if the patient feels lightheadedness or unwell, or if the person is having a shortness of breath, then the test should be aborted. This test should not be used to the person when the person is having a shortness of breath or if their initial oxygen saturation is less than 94% or if they are having any chronic heart diseases. This test should be done at least twice in a day in order to know the fluctuations in the oxygen saturation. This test should be done at least twice in a day in the COVID-19 affected persons. Even the healthy person also can go for this test in order to check the status of their lung and the heart. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, share it and subscribe to our channel. Keep watching our channel.